Hello, everyone. I will be giving a quick presentation on how to do HTML embeds in Blackboard. So you might have content in relation to your learning objectives as in items, assignments, uh, journals, discussion boards, assessments, etc. But sometimes you need a little bit more than just the basics. That is why you have the flexibility of items where you can use HTML embed to add things into Blackboard that you might not necessarily be able to access directly from Blackboard. So for example, I can go to a place like Quizlet, which gives you flashcards on all sorts of subjects, or you can create them yourselves. And I'm going to look for a set of vocabulary words. I'm going to look for the embed option. Just going to do learn, basic learn, click copy. Back in the editor, I'm going to give this a name, Quizlet flashcards. And I'm going to go ahead and click on HTML and paste the embed and click update. Once that's done, as long as you permit users to view this content and click submit, you will now have a flashcard set that students could use in order to get started. Get familiar with the vocabulary, etc. Right? So it's interactive. It's like having the Quizlet website inside of your Blackboard. The next option is if you want to add multimedia. So another thing would be simulation. So if you're teaching a science class and you want to do simulations on thermodynamics, states of basic matter, for example, we click on embed. Go ahead and grab this copy. We click copy, right? And click on build content one more time. Click on item. And you have this available now. You could do this in an assignment as long as you have an area. This is called the WYSIWYG editor. As long as you have an area that has this option, you could embed that in a discussion board. You can embed that into an assessment, an assignment, etc. So this is a simulation. We're going to go ahead and make sure that permit user to view this content is on. Then click submit. And we scroll down to the bottom, and there we go. Different states. So this is the state of a solid, right? We click on liquid, turn up the temperature, see what happens. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, interactive. The students can do whatever they want in the simulation. So it's up to you to find the materials. We can give some suggestions, but it's up to you to find the materials that you would want to embed in your class. See, for example, in this class, I have, when I was messing with just playing around with the features, I decided, sometimes students listen to music while they study. So why not put a low study playlist of focus concentration music, and the students can just play directly from the items area. Another example is a video. So I find material that's related to programming. I embedded it using the YouTube video option. So if I click on edit one more time, if you go to a YouTube video, you have HTML that you can copy and then paste directly into Blackboard, right? And that becomes an interactive YouTube video that the students can click on without ever leaving Blackboard. They can view the video and also interact with the cards, or if they choose, they can go directly to YouTube if they want to. So yeah, those are a couple of examples on how to use HTML embed to add different features, new tools, additional material to supplement your class, and make it a very successful and entertaining and interactive class. If you have any questions, my name is Manuel Fernandez. Give me a call at 713-221-5021 or email me at fernandezm@uhd.edu. Well, thank you. Have a good night.